In this video, I will show you how to apply paste special in Microsoft Excel. First, we have here data from January, February, and March sales. And we have the fourth column for the first quarter report. Now, the first thing that we can implement using paste special is to copy this data without formula. Let's say, for example, if I need to paste the values of this cell into different cell reference. Usually, we do copy paste for that, but if you just need a value without the summation in the formula bar, you can simply highlight the total column, copy, select any blank cell on any area of this spreadsheet, right click, and then you can find here the paste special button. And here we have different options on how we can paste the data. It's either you check the formulas only, the values only, the formats, comments, or validation. In our case, what we need is the values. Don't need the formula, we just need the value. So if I click OK button, and you can double click on that cell, you'll notice at the formula bar, right, we only have the value of the cell. We don't have any formula at all. Next, let me use paste special to reformat this table. Let's say, for example, I'm applying a basic format in the header of January sales. Let me add a fill color for this, right? And for example, font color, red. If I need to implement the same format for the rest of the columns available in this spreadsheet, I can simply copy cell B2, select cell C2 up to E2, right click, paste special, and there's a option formats. So it will just copy and paste the format of the selected cell B2 to cell C2 up to cell E2. If you're done, click OK. Excel will forward the format. Lastly, I would like to show you how to implement transpose in paste special. Usually, the purpose of transpose is to move vertical data into horizontal format, or vice versa, horizontal data to vertical format. How do we do that in paste special? We just simply need to highlight all the data that is involved in your table, B2 to E7, right click copy, select any blank cell as your starting point, right click, paste special, and over here, you can see the transpose button. Check transpose button, all category for the paste, click OK, and here's your table now. Excel will transpose your data from vertical to horizontal. Let's do it one more time. If I need to reconvert this to vertical, let me just highlight a horizontal reference, right click, copy, select any blank cell down below, paste special, and just check transpose, click OK button. Okay, so if you need to transpose your data from vertical to horizontal or horizontal to vertical, paste special transpose is one of the easiest ways to do that in Excel. And that's it. For this sample, how to use paste special.